Okay, so when we write an academic paper, we want to avoid using second person case, and we want to avoid using first person case. Second person case is you and your. So you need to delete all instances of you and your in your paper. Also, when we write an academic paper, you have to get rid of all of your first person case as well. So get rid of all of your I, me, me, we, us, my. So anytime you say my daughter, my family, I prefer, I like, I enjoy, I think, I want, all of that has to go. And so what you need to do is this student needs to redo the whole thing. Now she has a very good essay structure. She has a good thesis statement with 3 reasons which become her body paragraphs, but she has to make everything into third person case. So let's get rid of all of her first and second person case for her. Do you prefer cold weather? So you would say, do people prefer cold weather? Then you get rid of the not me, and you would say, people prefer hot weather over cold weather. A couple of reasons people prefer hot weather is because people don't have to wear as many layers as during the colder seasons. People have more activities they can do outside, and people can enjoy the scenery. So we get rid of the cliche, scenery is worth 1,000 words. We also get rid of cliches. First, people enjoy warmer weather because people do not, so we write out our contractions, people do not have to bundle up to go outside. During the colder season, people can put on 2 layers of clothes, wear mittens, and wear toboggans, which is insane. On the other hand, during the warmer weather, people can go outside, could go out in anything they want. And in warmer weather, people are able to wear t-shirts, a casual dress, and even a bikini. And so warmer weather is much more convenient and relaxing because people don't have to bundle up. So I replaced all of the I with people. Secondly, in warmer weather, there are more outdoor activities people can do, unlike colder weather. For instance, families love being outside, so it is nice for them to be able to go outside and play ball, jump on the trampoline, and even go swimming. Compared to the colder weather, people are limited to outdoor activities. Therefore, having warmer weather allows people to do all the outdoor activities they want. Therefore, hotter weather is better than colder weather. So get rid of the cliche, hotter is better. Lastly, people enjoy the scenery during warmer weather. So get rid of is worth 1,000 words. During the colder seasons, the leaves are dying off and falling on the ground. People do not hear birds chirp as much during colder weather, and the skies are not as beautiful. On the other hand, during warmer seasons, people can go for a hike and enjoy the scenery of the waterfalls and smell the fresh air. People love hearing the birds chirp while having a picnic with their family, trying to guess what each cloud looks like. People would not be able to do any of this if it was super cold outside. There are so many more pros than cons during warmer weather, and get rid of for me. So in warmer weather, it is not having to layer up. During colder weather, being able to do more outdoor activities, and the scenery is beautiful. So get rid of is worth 1,000 words. If the weather was colder, people wouldn't be able to do all the things they enjoy. With that being said, not everyone enjoys warm weather, but people enjoy every aspect of warmer weather. So here, if you want to practice third person case, you should Get rid of all of the I, and then just stick to people. Then you also need an APA in-text citation. Okay, so this student is also missing an APA in-text citation in order to emphasize and corroborate what she has to say. So this ends this video on how to convert, how to get rid of second person case and first person case in a comparison contrast essay.